how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So to fix this, first open up your Gmail application and make sure you are logged in. Then tap on three lines at the top left corner of your screen and from this menu select Settings. Here, scroll all the way down until we find this Sync Gmail option and make sure you check mark this option. Once done, now go back and open up your mobile settings. Here, scroll down and go to Apps section. Now search for Gmail app and select it. Here, scroll down and go to Storage option. And here first clear cache at the bottom and then clear your data. Once you do that, go back and now go to Permissions tab. Here, make sure you have allowed all permissions to your Gmail app. Once done, go back and now restart your device and your problem will be fixed. So that's basically how you can fix Gmail not receiving emails. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.